Wrapping simply means like extracting data from a website. For example, I'm having a website. This is that link. Okay. Actually, in this link, a table is there as well as an visual is there. Like you can see, this is a pie chart. Okay. And this is the table. We can extract this table from this website. We have to simply copy the link from here. Okay. Control C. And in the get data, there is a drop down you can see. When you will click the drop down, there web is an option. Okay. So when you will click that particular option, there you can fill the URL. Whichever website you want to scrape, you have to paste the URL of that particular website over there and click on OK. Okay. So it is showing us this is regarding text. Don't take this one. Whatever is there in the HTML table, you have to check out that thing. Okay, only one HTML table is there. When you will click on this table, you can see the same table it is. Okay. When you will go to the website, it is having column names like serial name, party name, number of members, percentage, and BJP is at the top. So the same way, serial number, party name, number of members, percentage. The same table it is. Okay. If we want to load the table, we have to mark the checkbox. Those who are not having any questions, they can mute their audio. Otherwise, I will mute it. Okay. So this is the table, right? Now you have to click on load because it is a clean data directly from this particular website. No problem with this data. So I'm directly loading it. Okay, so simply load it.
Oh. Sorry.
Okay, so the table is loaded over here, and in fields you can see this is the table, all member party wise list. When you will click on the drop down, you can see the columns. And if you want to see the entire table, go to this data view, and there you can find the entire table. So this is your table. Okay. Now, if you want to make a pie chart as it is done in this particular visual, the same pie chart, if you want to make, you have to simply put the party name in legend. First of all, you take the pie chart. Okay. This is your pie chart. Now, here party names are in legend, right? BJP, DMK, whatever. Okay. So the same way we can do it. We have to put the party name over here. And here percentage is shown, right? 55%, 9.78. So the same way here also we can do. Okay, we have to put the percentage in values. So it is showing us the same pie chart. Is it clear, all of you? And all the parties are not covered in this single image. So that's why there is a drop down. When you will click the drop down, you can see rest of the parties also. When you will move the tooltip, there you can find the party name and percentage like this. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Or instead of it, you can put the number of members also. Okay, it will show you number of members, and within bracket it will show you the percentage. I hope it is clear to all of you how to do web scraping. It's very simple. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
just repeat one. Shall you repeat
Yeah,
one?
sure. Definitely. I will remove this. Okay. Once again, I will show you. I'm removing the table also from here. Delete model. You have to simply click on that three dots and choose the delete model in order to remove that table from it. Okay. So it got removed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get data, and there in web, I can paste the URL over there. Okay, so this is the URL. Okay, I'm copying it, copy. Then I'm pasting it over here, Control V. Okay, then click on OK. Now it will show you whatever tables are there in that page, whichever possible tables are there. Sometimes table will be there in the page, and sometimes it will be there in the back end of this page, I mean website. So anyway, it will show you the table, whichever table is possible. So it is showing this particular table. You have to mark on the checkbox. Okay, always take the HTML table, not the text. Okay, then click on load. Okay, all the tables are loaded. I mean, the entire table is loaded. Now you can make the pie chart out of it. Also, when you will see the data view, you can see the entire table over there. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm putting the party name in legend, and I'm putting the number of members in values. So it will show us the same pie chart that we have seen in the website right now. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
This is that particular pie chart, right? Same pie chart we are getting. Colors are little bit different. Rest of the things are all same. Okay, so this is regarding the website. Similarly, in case of you, any other website, like any e-commerce website, we will take yoshop.com itself because it is having very few entities in the home page. Okay, you can try with Amazon and Flipkart too. So I'm copying it. Okay, actually, what you should see there, that there should be some product names given there. Okay, like in case of this the product name is geophone smartphone, and things are there like machine learning, and geobook laptop is there, and wedding doll toy, lot of things are there. Okay, uh, approximately 12 products are there. When you will go to Amazon, it will take a lot of time. That's why I'm taking this particular website, so that I can easily tell you within small span of time. Okay, so here also I'm choosing the website, this particular URL. Okay, Control C. And actually this product name and its price, everything is arranged in a table in the back end of the website. So that's why you can extract that table too. Although it's not in the table form, it's in the table form in the back end. The same backend table you can extract in Power BI. So go to get data, choose the web. There paste your URL, Control V, yoshop.com, and click on OK. Okay, now it is getting loaded. Let's wait for some time. So it came. Now when you will choose the table, you can see the table. What are the products? GeoBook laptop, as we have already seen. GeoBook laptop was there, then GeoPhone, smartphone, machine learning training. The same things are there, wedding doll toy. Okay, their price as well as whether what is the facility available in it, that is also mentioned. When you want to load it, you have to click on the checkbox. Okay, then you can simply load it. Later you can do the data cleaning and all. So here next table will be shown, and when you will click on the drop down, it is showing column 1, column 2, column 3. You can change the name of this column by by clicking here and rename, or by just going to the table and there you can rename it. Okay, there you have to choose the table, this table. Okay, and there you can simply right click and rename it. Okay, like product. Okay, like that you can rename it. Is it clear to all of you? The
Yes,
two
ma'am.
things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, sometimes in a website, it is given as a table itself. In that case, or if it is in a table form in the back end of the website, in that case too, we can extract a table easily. Okay. So that is regarding web scraping. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is data modeling. So I will delete these things. You try with other websites like Amazon, Flipkart and all. Okay. Because that will help you in the rest of the task, because they are related to web scraping and all. So I'm deleting this one from here. Yes. So since the data set is not there, that's why it is showing us, I mean, this kind of thing, like something wrong and all, because table itself is not present. So that's why. So I'm removing it. Now what I'm doing is I will extract some more tables so that I can explain you data modeling. Before that, I want to tell you there are two types of tables. Okay. One is fact table and one is dimension table. So first of all, let us take the CSV file. I'm actually loading some of the tables through which I can explain you data modeling. So this is one of the table. It is the data of a company called AdventureWorks. Wait a second. Calendar, it is not required. Sorry. Before that, I want to tell you there are two types of tables. Okay. One is dimension table, dimension. One is dimension table. I'm writing with the help of mouse. That's why it's not that neat. And another one is fact table. Okay. So actually, fact table is the main table, which actually includes all the data regarding performance of a company. Like what is going on in the company, what products are sold and what products are returned. Those kind of data will be there in the fact table. In case of dimension table, some supporting data will be there, right? You understood my point? Fact table actually tells you the performance of the company, and dimension table will support the fact table in order to do the analysis. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So, I'm going to clear the statement written over here. Okay. So let us check out some table so that you can understand it properly, that which is the dimension table and which is the fact table. So I am taking this customer data. I will show you the customer data. You please tell me that which kind of table it is. This is customer data. Which kind of table it is? It is a dimension table or a fact table. You can unmute your mic. It is a fact table. No, it is not a fact table. It is a dimension table.
But ma'am, there is annual income, right? Annual income column present there.
Annual income is there, but it is actually the customer data. Customer data does not tell you that what is happening in the company, right? Is it clear? It supports your, analysis, but it does not tell you that what is happening in the company. Customer may be of high income, but they may not purchase, huge products and all. Na? It depends upon their lifestyle. Isn't it? Lot of things matters. It
Yeah.
actually supports the
Right.
analysis, but we can't say that actually it is the main thing in the analysis. It supports it, and that I agree. Because if we are having some data of the customer, it will help us to do the, sales and things in a proper way. Based on their taste, we can actually proceed in a better way in order to make the profit. But it actually does not tells you that what is happening in the company. Isn't it, all of you? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to load it and I will rename it as D hyphen. D means dimension, so that I can simply identify that which table is what. So I'm renaming it as D hyphen customer. Okay. D hyphen customer, as well as I will remove this number content and all. It is not at all required. So the name of the table is D customer. Now I will take a new table and I will ask you the same question. Okay, be ready. This is a fact table or a dimension table, all of you.
Fact table.
It is a
Fact
fact
table.
table because it is showing us the data that what is being sold on a particular day. So on 1st January 2017, lot of products are sold. Okay, so I will load it and I will show the entire table to you because it is having the data of the entire year. It is having the data. Oh, some error is there. Okay. Okay. So let us transform it initially. Okay, order date. It is having an error. Okay, or we can take another table also. Right now I'm just closing and saving it. Okay. So I'm renaming it as F hyphen, that means packed table. F hyphen sales 2017. Now I'm taking another table. Okay. So all of you, please tell me which kind of table it is when I will show it to you. Which kind of table it is, everyone?
Fact table.
It is a fact table
Dimension
because it
table.
is showing us which products are actually returned on a particular date. So that also affect the company's performance. So I will load it. And I will rename it with the name F hyphen returns. See, when you will check out the returns table, it is showing us the data like returns table. It is showing us the data in this way. 2016 data is there 17. Okay. What happened on different date, those data is there. Okay. So that's why I told you that it is a fact table. Agreed? From 2015 to 17, whatever products are written, it is mentioned over there. Okay. So I will take new table. Okay. So I'm taking CSV file and there I'm choosing the product category. Now all of you tell me that which kind of table it is. This one is which type of table?
Dimension.
It is a dimension table because it tells you some categories. Like in yorshops.com, you can see these are some categories: toys and games, mobile, laptops, accessories, electronic items, like that. So it is actually showing us some categories which may change after a span of time, but it is not changing regularly, right? So I am renaming it as D hyphen, okay? D hyphen, because it is a dimension table. D hyphen product category. Okay. Now I will take the new table in homes, the get data, CSV. Then let us take product table. Product is not there, no? Product table, yeah. All of you, please tell me which type of table it is. It is showing us some product data. It is a dimension table or a fact table.
Dimension.
It is a dimension table because it is showing us some product data only, which is not regularly changing. It depends company to company sometimes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we say that numerical data type and dimension table consists of categorical data type?
numerical data type.
Consist of fact tables, because mostly in
No,
fact
it's not
tables
like that.
numerical
It
data
is,
type is present.
if it is showing you some sales data, some returns data, some data which is actually directly reflecting the performance of the company, right? So in that case, it is a fact table. Suppose, for example, you have only one product with you, okay, but your sales is too good. That means your company's performance is very nice. But if you are having n number of things and nobody's purchasing the products. So in that case, company's performance is quite low, right? So what is actually governing the performance of the company's sales and returns? Those kind of things are actually governing your company's performance, isn't it, all of you? But it depends company to company, which kind of services they are providing, what is their product, depending upon it varies. So these tables like product category, they are supporting table. It helps in analysis, but it is not directly involved in the analysis. Like, it is not directly telling you that whether company is making profit or loss. Is it clear? I'm clear to you. I mean, is it okay? The explanation is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us take another table like product subcategories. Product subcategories I will show you. Like earlier we have seen bikes, components and all. These are the subcategories of those things. Like in bikes, there are mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. Okay. This is its key. So it is a dimension table or a fact table.
Fact table.
It is a dimension table, basically. It is, first one was category, and what is there in that particular category, it is shown in the subcategory table. Like in toys and games, PlayStation, drones, RC toys, soft, these are the subcategory. This is the category, and these are the subcategories of that category in case of yoshop.com. The same way in this company also. Product category actually shows you the category. I will show the table after altering the name. Okay, then it will be more clear to you.
So, ma'am, category table was fact table or dimensional table?
Dimension table. It will not tell you whether company is doing well or bad, isn't it? Sales and returns
Yes,
will
ma'am.
directly tell you. Okay, so actually here I will show you. This is product category. Like its key is one bike, key of bike is one, key of component is two, clothing is three, accessories four. The same way in case of subcategory, key is mentioned. That category is not mentioned, but its key is mentioned. So we can connect them together. Okay, so key one means bikes. So mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. And next thing is components. So handlebar, bottom brackets, brakes, chains, like that. Is it clear to all of you what are these table actually? Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, and this was our report view where we can do some, where we can make some charts and all. This is our data view where we can go through some tables and we can check out the table data one by one, or we can alter it too. Okay. And this is actually the model view where we can see that how tables are connected with each other. Okay. They will be automatically connected, or we can manually connect them. If the names are same in two table, like here customer key and here also customer key. So in that case, they will be automatically connected. But if somehow names are not same, we have to connect it if they are having same entities. Okay, before that, I will tell you there are two types of data models. One is star model, other is snowflakes model. Okay, like one is star model. And in this star model, we will put the fact table in the middle. Okay, fact table will be in the middle and it will be surrounded by dimension table connected to it like this. Okay, oh sorry. And like dimension table will be surrounding the fact table like this. Right? And next one is snowflakes model. Snowflakes. Okay. In snowflakes model, actually, dimension table, all the dimension table will be at the top. All the dimension table will be at the top and fact table will be at the bottom. Right? Our meeting is having only 10 minutes more. So I'll try to complete this topic within that time. Okay, it will be connected if there is some common columns between fact and dimension table. Is it clear to all of you that what is fact, what is star model and what is snowflakes model? Star model is basically easy to make and snowflakes model is the standard one in case of data warehousing and all. Right? It's clear everyone, what is star model, what is snowflakes model? Nobody is replying. Okay, I am clearing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So right now, actually, the tables are connected with each other. We will delete it so that I can tell you that how they are connected with each other. Okay. Right now, I will delete it simply by moving my cursor over there. When I will move my cursor in on a particular connection, it will get highlighted and I can simply right click and delete that particular connection. Later, I will arrange them properly in a snowflakes model and I will tell you that how they are connected with each other. If names are similar, in that case also they will be connected. Okay. So it's not necessary that same name should be there. Similar names are also considered. So I will actually zoom in. like this. And I will take all the fact table in the bottom. Okay. And I will keep all the dimension table at the top. Okay. So this is how things are. Now I just want to ask you what is common between these two tables, customer table and sales table. What is the common column between them?
Customer key.
Correct, customer key. So we can select the customer key and we can drag it and drop it over there so that they will be connected. This is how connection is done. Okay, it will take a few time. I will do it once again. Let us see. Yeah, it is connected. It is connected in the manner one to many. You can see here one is written and here star is written. Star means many. Okay. Same customer key is appearing only once and that customer key is appearing here multiple times because it is sales. Same product will be sold to different customers, right? So that's why. Now, all of you, please tell me that what is the common key between this table and this table?
Product.
Product.
Correct. So I have to simply drag and drop it like
Okay.
this. So connection will be made. Okay. It is also one-to-many connection. And now between these two tables, what is the common key?
Product key.
Product key. So I will simply drag and drop it like this. And now one-to-many connection is done. Okay. Now there some product category key, subcategory key is mentioned, but we don't know that which one is related to product key. Okay. So let us try out one thing. Okay, first we will take the category key and we will try to combine it with it. So it is showing us many to many connection. It is not possible. So I will cancel it simply and I will take the next key, that is product subcategory key, and I will try to combine it with product key. Whether they are same or not, let us check out. Okay, so they are same. One to many connection is made. So this is how we can connect them. Right, all of you? So actually, the column that is common in these two tables, in any two tables, the column which is common that act as a primary key in dimension table. Here customer key is acting as a primary key. And the same customer key is acting as a foreign key in fact table. So always remember F for foreign, F for fact. Like that you please connect it with. Like whichever column is common between the two tables, dimension and fact, that particular column will act as a primary key in dimension table and the same key will act as foreign key in the fact table. Is it clear, all of you? You can unmute your mic.
Ma'am, which key? Primary key.
Here, customer key is the primary key and the same customer key is foreign key over here. Understood?
Foreign.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, whenever you will create a visual or anything out of it, okay, at that time, you should not take the foreign key. Okay. Accidentally, it may happen that you may take the foreign key. Okay. Here also product key is there. There also product key is there. Always you should take the key from primary key that is in the dimension table. So in order to avoid any problem, sometimes during updating and inserting and all, some issues may occur by choosing the foreign key. So you should hide them. See, corresponding to a particular column, there is an I button. You have to click that in order to hide it. Now it will not appear in your columns. Okay, here also I am hiding the product key. Whichever foreign key is there, you should hide it properly and you should not use it while making a visual. Now, when you will check the sales column, there is no, oh, there is a custom product key is there, right? Let us check out once again. I have actually hidden it. Let us check customer key also. Their customer key is not there. Okay. Let us take it. Now now the product key is there. Actually, it should be hidden. And here customer key is not there. Okay. Actually, you should hide it and you should not take it in your model. Right. And now one more thing can be connected with each other. Before that, I will tell you how to make a table out of it. Like I will go to the visual report and here I will take customer data and I will take the customer name. Where is the home? First name. First name, I will take it over here. Okay. And I will take the any other data like any other data like return date. Okay. Or sales date we can take. Sales data we can take like order quantity. Okay. So which person actually purchased how much order, it is mentioned over there. So we are taking the columns from two different tables because they are connected to each other. We can make a new table out of it. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how data modeling is done. Okay, our meeting is going to end. So I hope everything is clear to all of you. Rest of the things I will tell you tomorrow regarding DAX functions and all. Yes. You can join the meeting. Yeah. Actually, only 1 minute is left. You can join the meeting again if you're having any questions.
Okay. Ma'am, actually sometimes in tables, a common table are not there in data set. So how will connect those tables?
It is not necessary that you should connect all the table. Whichever table you can connect, that you should
Two
connect.
tables,
Rest you
then
leave it as it is. It is not necessary that you should connect all the table. Whichever